Hi, this is Don Dornbreck here at Night Ford Lincoln in Moose Jaw on a nice sunny warm day in March. Just here to show you our awesome 2018 Ford Explorer Limited. It's the four-wheel drive with the 2.3 litre EcoBoost engine paired with the 6-speed automatic transmission. As you can see, the exterior is a Cinnamon Glaze and the interior, I'll get to in a minute, is the Ebony black leather. Now this vehicle does come with fog lights, surround sensors, as you can see just on the front bumper there. Nice big 20-inch wheels. Now your mirrors have the turn signals integrated into them, as well as the blind spot information system for you. The vehicle does come with keyless entry and the door keypad code, as you can see there. When we open it up, you can see that nice black ebony leather. Now the front seats are powered. You've also got your mirror settings just over here, steering column settings, and those can all be saved to your 3 driver memory settings just on the door over here. Now this vehicle does come with cruise control as well as adaptive cruise control. We've also got your hands-free functions just on the right hand side of the steering wheel over there, automatic headlights, as well as the auto high beams. Now just behind the shifter we can see the drive mode button, very cool on the Explorers, and that nice big 8-inch display. Now that big 8-inch display will show you your navigation as well as your reverse camera, as you can see over there, and you can see your sensors on the vehicle just up front. The sync system does also integrate with the FordPass Connect, so you can connect your phone using the FordPass app to the vehicle for your remote start, command start, remote unlock, lock, vehicle location, check the tire pressures, gas, all of that kind of cool stuff. As you can see on the key, you do have command start built into the key fob, as well as your tailgate opener. On the visor we've got our universal garage door opener and the nice big twin panel moonroof. Now up front we've got our heated steering wheel, heated and cooled front seats, heated seats in the back as well. Not only do we have the heated and cooled seats, but we also got the massaging front seats, as well as the ambient lighting, so you can choose the different lighting for the interior of the vehicle. So we'll just come around to the back. Plenty of room in the second row there. This vehicle does come with the inflatable rear seat belts, heated seats in the back as I mentioned before, as well as your USB and household power point just over there, and your climate controls. And we can just see the third row over there. I'll show you guys what it looks like from the back. As you can see on the back bumper, we've got our rear parking sensors, reverse camera just in the tailgate, as you can see it opening over there. And on the Limited, our third row is power folding. I'll just demonstrate that for you guys. So just a simple touch of a button and they will flip down and stow away, giving you plenty of storage room in the back. Also got the tow hitch just in the back bumper, as you can see over there. Now if you're looking for this vehicle on our website, the stock number is L8879. Please feel free to get in touch or pop into the dealership to come have a look at this. Thanks for watching.